Do you find the equal distribution of chores hard to swallow? Remember, everything tastes better with Vegeta. In the post-World War II era, women entered the workforce seeking economic independence and equal distribution of household chores. During this transformative period, Professor Zlata Bartol introduced Vegeta, an original blend of dried vegetables and spices that significantly reduced cooking time and made it accessible for even the least experienced men to create delicious meals. Fast forward 65 years, the household duties are still not equally distributed, but Vegeta has become a beloved flavor, present in millions of kitchens and exported to more than 60 countries. In honor of its origins, Vegeta dedicated its anniversary edition to the equal distribution of chores. Vegeta's packaging has become a kitchen reminder for the whole family to share the chores and a physical doorway to a curated online collection of simple recipes created by the extensive Vegeta community. It is designed to assist those guys who are still figuring out which end of the spatula is up. There are even instructions for the dishwasher challenged. The packaging is made of cardboard and aluminium without the use of adhesives. This design pays homage to the original metal packaging, often repurposed for storing small items. The graphic elements on the packaging reflect Vegeta's rich history and place in popular culture. For some, equality is still hard to digest, but everything tastes better with Vegeta. Bon appétit!